खाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है तो हवेली पे क्या लगाएंगे. The only way to preserve this haveli or work around to turn them into some museum or any heritage home.
In April, the Delhi High Court stayed an ongoing construction in Haksar Haveli in Sitaram Bazar. Now, the importance of Haksar Haveli is that it's from where Pandit Nehru's Bharat had walked till Kamala Nehru's house in 1916 when they were getting married. And today it's absolute rubble. There's not even a single door or, even a window that remains. It's just rubble, it's infested with rats and there's nothing there. It's practically gone. So because of that, we decided we'll go around seeing all the Havelis in Kashmiri Gate area and Shahjahanabad area and to see what is the condition of these Havelis. So we visited Sitaram Bazar, we went to Chavdi Bazar, we went to Lal Kuan, we went to Kucha Ghasi Ram and we also went to Kashmiri Gate. So in all we covered about 12 Havelis in Delhi.
लोग यहाँ से हैं नहीं तो उनको कोई कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है. They do not have that belongingness with this place. This is the basic reason why the Havelis are just vanishing away. जो किराएदार या फिर जिन लोगों ने ये हवेलियाँ खरीदी, they do not have any connectivity with this place. They turn them into godowns. If you go into any godown in Old Delhi, the arches of Havelis is so beautiful and so strong that if they preserve, they will live another 100 or 200 years.
So for instance, Zeenat Mahal, it's the palace of Zeenat Mahal, and Zeenat Mahal was the wife of Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal ruler. And her palace was this huge palace. It was one of the most beautiful and one of the biggest palaces in the area. And today, there is a very rickety structure that remains in the name of a gate and this one tiny area. Otherwise, everything has been taken over by shops and merchants, and there's also a school inside. Interestingly, one more thing we noticed was that a lot of the Haveli owners do not want attention on the Havelis. They don't want the civic body to notify their Havelis as heritage properties. And when I spoke to some of them, they said that the problem is there are no incentives that the civic bodies are giving us. There are only a bunch of rules, which means that even if I have to whitewash it, I need permission of a lot of officials. I need permission of a lot of offices. And that is something they want to avoid the hassle. A lot of them also mentioned that if the government or if the civic bodies decide to give us an incentive where we can run it as a commercial body, then we don't mind the heritage tag. But if it's just going to be rules and nothing else in return, then we don't want the heritage tag.
मोस्टली जो हैं वो उतना ज़्यादा अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते कि अपनी हवेलियों को प्रिजर्व कर पाएँ या घर को प्रिजर्व कर पाएँ, क्योंकि खाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है तो हवेली पे क्या लगाएंगे. सेकेंडली, जिन लोगों के पास पैसा है, दे हैव प्रिजर्व इट वेल. The only way to preserve these haveli or work around to turn them into some museum or any heritage home where the foreigners come and pay you amount for staying in the heritage home or building. जिन लोगों ने preserve करा, they have preserved it well. They have उन्होंने realize करी अपनी culture की और heritage की value and they are earning good. I think this is the best way to preserve the present Delhi, वरना ये सिर्फ किस्से, किताबों और कहानियों में रह जाएगी.
We decided not to sell this place because we are connected to our old heritage, and it was much costlier outside to buy a small house than getting it repaired this place. It was much cheaper. So I decided better to stay in a large place instead of going into a small place for a higher value.
While we walked around Kashmiri Gate and Chandni Chowk, there were a lot of Havelis that were in a very distraught condition and in a very bad state. We did come across one Haveli called Chiku Ki Haveli, and it's owned by this 60-year-old man called Rajiv Gandhi, and it's a 135-year-old Haveli. It has 42 rooms and there are 4 people who live there. But the family is so attached to the Haveli and the heritage that comes with it that every few years You know, they've managed to refurbish it. They've managed to paint it in the same colors. There are these tiles with these lotus motifs, which you don't find in the market anymore, by the way. But that particular tile you don't find in the market. So they've also managed to keep those intact. They clean it, they polish it. But at the same time, what they do is they also lend it out for film shoots sometimes. For instance, Rajat Kapoor's Aankhon Dekhi or Amir Khan's PK. So scenes from these movies have been shot inside that Haveli. And that they said that's the only way we want to use it for a commercial purpose.
ओल्ड दिल्ली इज सोल ऑफ दिल्ली आई से। कोई भी बाहर से आता है तो सबसे पहले वो पुरानी की दिल्ली की तरफ जानता है। दिल्ली को शाहजहानाबाद के नाम से जाना जाता है। यू टॉक अबाउट हेरिटेज, यू टॉक अबाउट कल्चर, यू टॉक अबाउट हिस्ट्री, यू टॉक अबाउट फूड, सबके मुंह पे एक ही नाम होता है, शाहजहानाबाद। जो लोग यहाँ पे रह चुके थे, अगर वो यहाँ से मूव ना करते तो शायद हमारा जो एक कल्चर था वो बरकरार रहता। जहाँ हवेली में 20 या 25 लोग पहले रहते थे मैक्सिमम, आज वहीं पे फ्लैट्स बनने की वजह से 20-25 फैमिलीज रह रही हैं और 100-100, 150-150 लोग एक फ्लैट में रह रहे हैं। एंड इट इज़ अफेक्टिंग द ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, द कॉमन लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ पीपल। जो भी गवर्नमेंट आई है उसने पुरानी दिल्ली के लिए कुछ नहीं करा। लाइक इट्स लाइक कहते हैं ना, सहानुभूति सब दिखा